Hello guys, welcome to Faisal Television. Today I have this 32-inch higher LED TV. The problem is screen mirror problem. So how to fix screen mirror problem? See, menu. So let's do it now. Press menu 8893. Okay. Scroll down, special set. Press OK. Press OK. Scroll down, mirror enable off. Mirror enable off, so we have to mirror enable on. Press OK. Okay. Okay, done. No, sir. Okay, done. So this is higher 32-inch LED TV fix mirror problem. Thank you everyone. Thanks for watching. Like and share and comment. For any information, kindly contact me. Subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you everyone. Thanks for watching.